We came over 2004 in the acquisition of Global Currencies Limited. We had a team of like 15, I think, at that point, and we had a limited, even though it was global, it was still kind of a limited reach in certain markets. And from there, we've kind of expanded into Singapore, which is a big hub that I spent 3 years in. From 2014 to 16, and where we handle all of our correspondent business and have bank clients there now that obviously do some business with us in the region. StoneX kind of supports any idea you throw out there. So the Brazil that you mentioned is a huge piece of our operation now. We've got 70 something people in Sao Paulo. It's the biggest for us as far as volumes, and really exciting that we're in a place where that kind of support exists, where when we have an idea like we want to go into Brazil or something like that, their support, we've been there for 10 years now. We have the Banco de Cambio license. We've recently established a license in Colombia as well as the electronic payments entity. That's been successful so far too. We're looking forward to a nice future with that product. And yeah, anywhere and everywhere, as you know, we are. So as long as it's not prohibited by some sort of restriction from OFAC or similar, then we typically have a local correspondent and have some coverage. So it's been an exciting journey to expand that to all the various locations that we're in. And in turn, we've got a lot of clients that rely on us for that access that we provide.
I think it sometimes baffles people how extensive the capability is from a payments perspective. When you say 180 currencies, 385 correspondent banks worldwide, corridors in every currency that isn't the sanctioned currency. I mean, it's just remarkable, and offering that to large global international banks and being their partner, assisting their clients in expanding their physical presence. We've recently announced an investment into Bamboo.
Right.
And that's
today.
And that's going to be an exciting expansion to the business, and we hope to continue to build out.
Yeah.
We've also announced today the acquisition of Benchmark here in New York, and that will also add capability and capacity and just a broadening of that product offering. So there's a lot of exciting things going on, a lot of exciting expansion, acquisitions, and hopefully the feeling is that we're becoming more of a relevant one-stop shop for all of our clients, counterparties in the market at large, to be able to say, I can do everything with this one global company. Yeah. And going back to being an acquisition, the sort of feeling of where we were when people join, the trepidation, the concerns, the fears, and then suddenly, 10 years on, or for you, 20 years on, a long distant memory of what the hell we're worried about. This is a phenomenal opportunity, and look at the business today versus where it was back then. Yeah. And I think collectively, both businesses have just been transformative for StoneX, transformative for our growth, our revenue, and transformative for our product offering. Yeah. So it's wonderful to see.